Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube series on the foundation of a system design. This series covers the major topic regarding the system design. Whether you are a software engineer, a software developer, or just curious about how the things works when we developing the system, this series will give you solid understanding of the key concept in the system design. So let's get started. So in our first segment, we will explore the what system design is and why it is crucial. System design involves the creating the complex system that meets the specific requirement and constraints. It's about ensuring the reliability, scalability, and performance. By mastering the system design, you can build a robust application that handles the real world demand efficiently. Next, we will cover the networking fundamentals. Understanding the networking is the foundation to the system design. We will start with the IP. It is an internet protocol that governs the how data packets are routed across the internet. Then we will dive into the OSI model, which breaks down in networking into the 7 layers, each with its distinct functions. And finally, we will compare the TCP and UDP, the two protocols for sending the data, each with its own strengths and use cases. Then afterwards, we can go to the domain name system. So domain name system, have you wonder have you ever wondered how the typing a URL in your browser direct you to the right website? That's thanks to the domain name system. And uh, we will explain how the DNS works and its crucial role in the internet infrastructure. And we can cover to that load balancing. So load balancing, as your traffic to your application grows, distributing the load efficiently become the essential. In this segment, we will explore the load balancing. We will discuss various techniques and algorithms used to distribute traffic across the servers and ensuring the uh, optimal performance and reliability. Then we can cover the clustering. So cluster to achieve the high availability and load management, server clustering is the key. We will learn how clustering works and why it is crucial for the system that needs to handle the high loads and maintain uptime. Speed is everything in the today's digital world. That's where caching comes in. We will explore in memory caching for the fast data retrieval and distributed caching for the scalable solution. Understanding this strategy can significantly improve our system performance. Then afterwards, we can cover the content delivery network. Ever noticed that how some websites load faster than the others, regardless of where you are? Content delivery network and CDNs make this possible very easy. We will discuss how CDN works and their benefits, like reduce the latency and improve the load times. Then afterwards, we can cover the proxy servers. So proxy servers plays the various roles in the networking, from enhancing the securities to improving the performance. We will cover the different types of proxies and their uses and helping you to understand how they can be integrated into your system design. Then afterwards, we can cover the availability and scalability. So building the system that stay up and perform well under the load is a core challenge in the system design. We will discuss the strategies for the ensuring the system availability and designing for scalability. So your application grows seamlessly with the demand. Then afterwards, we can cover the storage. So finally, uh, when we working with the different types of application, have the different types of storage needs, from the databases to the distributed storage system, we will explore various storage types and their use cases and helping you to choose the right storage solution for your needs. And then this is the part one that contains the foundation of the system design. I have shared the roadmap of the system design in the link in the comment section below. Please check it out. For each topic, I will add the links and content in the each content section. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the foundation of the system design. And make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you do not miss any of our video into these essential topics. See you in the next video.